welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. In today's video, I am going to be doing a thorough cleaning of my living room area. It's time to wax the floors, guys, do the mirrors, clean the glass tables, and I am reorganizing the whole house. But today you'll get to see me and my son, who's helping me get this living room area in A1 shape. Also, we did some laundry today. So yeah, we're going to get the house back beautiful. So stay tuned. So guys, I went out to Walmart and I purchased 10 of those clear storage containers because I have so much stuff everywhere, guys. I've accumulated a lot of things and I need to pack them away in my basement. Also, some of the closets are getting out of control and I need to take care of them and organize them before it gets just unbelievable. But today I'm excited because my son Daquan is home from college. He has one more semester left that he's going to do from August until December, and then he'll be graduating with his bachelor's degree in business and marketing. So I'm excited that he's home. I did let him know that I needed him to work low as I'll work in between the middle. And if it's something that's too high, I need him to help me with that as well. I did turn the TV off so we don't get copyrighted. But guys, I have been having a lot of problems with my back. So that's why you haven't seen any cleaning videos lately. But like I said, I've been holding it down and I've been able to keep it pretty manageable. It's just now it's time to dust everything and get it taken care of. So, and being a plus size woman, sometimes you do have to sit down and work, but hey, the main thing is actually getting it done. And I definitely want to add that I am really loving the Mrs. Myers products that I received. I've been using them for about 2 months now, and I absolutely love them. This charge plate that I got it from Pier 1 Imports, and I absolutely love it. It adds the perfect amount of bling to my cocktail table. And guys, I got those flowers from Burlington's for about 12 bucks a piece. And they add a really nice touch of spring into the living room. So, guys, I actually listen and take heed to the comments that you guys leave. If you notice, I am not spraying my TV screen. One of my subscribers did say, don't spray your TV screen because it will harm your TV. And I did Google it and they were right. So thank you so much for that. So what I do now, I spray the cloth or the paper towel and I wipe the screen. So guys, I do read your comments and I do listen to the advice that you give me. And if you have any more tips, please feel free to leave them down below and I will definitely take heed to them. The pillows that I'm adding to the couch, I actually purchased from Burlington's. The two black and white striped pillows came from Burlington. Now, these are pillow covers. I covered my white pillows with pillow covers that I purchased from Amazon. Now, guys, I have these mirrors hanging on the wall with command strips. Now, the command strips are heavy duty and they work great, except about every 4 or 5 months, they will release and come crashing down. And that's not a good thing. But because of the way the mirrors are made, there's nothing to hang them. So if you have any kind of tips that I can on how to hang these on the wall, please leave them in the comments below, as I'm open to all suggestions. Now, my son is such a help. He is going to be cleaning all of the mirrors on that side of the wall, and I appreciate him so much. And he's using the Mrs. Myers Lemon Verbena glass cleaner, and I have to say, I have fell in love with that particular product from Mrs. Myers. But my son did a really good job, and now I am going to go ahead and I am going to finish up on the other side. Now, I know, guys, that we have not talked about these new vases. I purchased these vases from Home Goods about a month ago. And at first, I was very skeptical. I did not like them once I got them home because they're much smaller than what I normally had over there. But after I looked at them for about a week or two, I decided, you know what, they're not too bad, and they really add to the decor in the house. So I decided to keep them. Now, as you can see, this mirror right here is pretty wobbly. I can never say that word. It's pretty wobbly, but we did go ahead and reinforce it with another command strip because it's starting to get a little weak. But yeah, as far as the faces, I absolutely love them. Comment down below and let me know if you like them or if I should go back to the silver vases that I had in the beginning. So me and my son, we washed maybe about 4 loads of clothes because I hadn't washed in over a month. But I have so much stuff that I just got to the point where I needed to wash. So we're putting away some of the extra towels that I didn't have any space for. And what he's doing, we are actually putting them in a container so that they are going to go into the basement with some of the other extra things that I have. So all the towels you just saw are extra towels that won't fit in my closet. So, me and my son made a deal. He's going to do what I absolutely hate, and that is sweep the floor, and I am going to mop the floor. So, that's me controlling the camera, trying to make sure that I follow him to get the footage so that you guys can see. But yeah, I absolutely hate sweeping, guys, especially with lately I've been having back problems. So I definitely did not feel like sweeping. But he did move everything. He swept under the couches, he moved the ottomans, he swept, and he did a really great job. And I offered some assistance wherever I could. Um, yeah, I just wanted to make sure that everything in the house got wiped over, cleaned over, and that everything was spick and span. Right here, I'm actually trying to arrange things. I'm moving the table so that I can mop, and I'm just getting this living room together. So, guys, I didn't want to just mop the floor. I wanted to scrub the floor and wax the floor at the same time. I wanted to make sure that the floors were super shiny and just looking amazing. Look at the shine on those floors. Now, a plus size tip that I have, or just for anybody who have back problems, guys, get the kind of mop that is on a swivel head. Also, this mop is really wide and so it covers more space. So that's why I have this particular mop. Also, I can just pop the head off, throw it in the washing machine, and clean my mop. So, yeah, this is an easier mop. I purchased it for $5 at Family Dollar. So, guys, my son is cleaning off the breakfast bar area for me. And I did tell him to use a heavy duty cleaner because that's a high traffic area in my home. Everybody stops right there at the breakfast bar. They put their keys down, they put everything on that breakfast bar. So, my son is using Lysol to clean that surface off with. And even though the video is sped up, he did spray it and let it sit a couple seconds so that it gets good and disinfected. Also, he did go over it again with a bleach towel just to be absolutely sure that all the germs are off that countertop. Now, this is the funny part of the video. My son trying to arrange those flowers on that countertop was so funny. He wanted them so perfect. He absolutely loves them. This is a DIY that I put together and it will be up on the channel on Wednesday. But it was so funny watching him constantly try to get those flowers right. It was just hilarious, but I'm thankful for his help. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Everything is all clean and finished. Look at my new DIY project that I did on the breakfast bar. That video will be coming up for you soon. But as far as the living room area, it is all clean. The glasses and the mirrors are all clean and dust and lint free. The floor has been mopped and waxed. And yeah, I'm excited. The house smells so amazing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will be uploading videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I look forward to it. Thanks so much, and until the next video, bye, guys.